Draft beer towers with Micro Matic's patented Kool-Rite technology provide optimum cooling at the point of dispense. Our innovative drop-in modular construction makes installation and service as simple as plug and pour. Micro Matic's Kool-Rite technology is setting a new standard for the draft beer industry by featuring 100% stainless steel contact with the beer, all the way from the trunk housing connection to the faucet. Stainless steel is the brewery's dispensing choice because of its ability to ensure the beer's integrity. Let's explore the components of the Kool-Rite module beginning at the beer entry point. The beer line into the module has a barbed end featuring a tapered design that allows easy connection to either 5/16 or 3/8 inch beer lines. Each barb is TIG welded to provide an ultra-reliable leak-proof connection. The copper coolant lines provide excellent cold temperature transfer and also feature integrated barb ends for secure and easy hose connections. The copper coolant lines and stainless steel beer lines are initially joined together with foil tape. Next, they're wrapped with foam insulation tape, and finally the entire module is filled with foamed insulation to provide the ultimate in cooling transfer and temperature preservation. The pinnacle of Micro Matic's innovation in Kool-Rite technology is our patented Double D cold block, which securely locks into the tower module to prevent rotation and provide a direct cold transfer point. The stainless steel beer lines are pressed into the cold block, forming a leak-proof joint. The stainless steel beer shank screws into the cold block for direct contact, resulting in maximum cold transfer. The double O-rings that seal the shank and beer line connection are another innovative Kool-Rite design. Even if the shank is loose, the beer connection remains completely sealed. Only after the beer and cooling connections are leak tested, the Kool-Rite module is completely filled with foam insulation. Then the module is wrapped with moisture barrier tape to prevent perspiration and cold transfer to the draft tower shell. The Kool-Rite module is unique in the industry for its plug-and-pour capability for installation and service. Look for the Kool-Rite inside symbol. Kool-Rite modular technology has been adapted to a wide variety of draft tower shells and is the preferred choice of installers and retailers. We're proud of its uncompromising draft quality and dependable cooling performance at the point of dispense. Kool-Rite, it's simply the best.